Yes, exactly. Okay, let me do this from the beginning. Okay, so maybe, yeah. Oh, okay. So in that case, you need to change this code bit further, no? Because let me show you that how I am removing that. But as we need to keep that duplicate, sorry, blank rows. So in that case, maybe we need to change this code little bit further. Okay. So let me show you this. Okay, I understand, but maybe let me show you what's the problem. Okay, so if I don't remove this, so in that case we need to change code little bit further. Okay, so this is the sorry, this is test data. So I'll go to this table and range. So I don't need this. I just need to remove this duplicate, sorry, blank rows. I'll show you that why this is a problem if we don't remove this. But we can bypass this as it is necessary to keep that blank rows. Okay. So this is the first step, and then what we need to do, we need to add a custom column. So at first we need to split this by delimiter. So in that case, that is text dot split function, and first parameter is that text, and then second parameter is that is delimiter. So this will return this list. Now we need to convert this list to a table because we need that column heading. So in that case, just add another function that is table from list. This intermediate step will return list, and this from list function will convert this into table, but still it's in a row, so we need to convert this to a column. In that case, we need to add another function called transpose, and so this will transpose and keep this column. Now this is the first task. Okay, so we need to convert this into the column. Now we need to dynamically get this column names, okay, or unique column names. We can do this in another way. I will show you that. So in that case, so still we need this step, but it's better. Okay, so remove other column. So I don't need other column. I just need this one. Okay, so now we get this. Now we need to add another column because we need the column heading, right? So let's say this is name is column header list, let's suppose, and that is table dot column names. And as you know, this is case sensitive, so capital N is capital N matters in this case. Okay, so this will return this uh, column list. Okay, now this step is very crucial. We need to get this column. Okay, like how we can convert this into a list. So there is option that convert to list, right? In this case, so this just add this last column heading. So we can do that in the previous step, right? So in that case, just copy this column heading and angle bracket and then paste this. So it will convert this into list. Now we need to combine this whole list. So for that, list.combine function, we will combine this. Now we need to only get the distinct item, right? So list.distinct, and I guess oh, distinct. Maybe cannot convert value type table to type list. Maybe I'm missing something. Oh, sorry, I put this plus, so this will be this. Okay, so I get this column header list, right? So this is column header. So this is column header. Now we need to expand this column. So I mean this column. So I can change this name. Let's say main table. Let's suppose this is so. In this case, you can get this code from this place like this. Okay. So you can get this particular code. Just copy this. This step is not necessary. So I'll get rid of this, or you can manually type that. Okay. It's depend on this. So table dot expand column. This is the step. I mean this is the table. So main table was in this step. Now this is custom because that main table column heading was custom, and now this is the column header. Okay, final column header. So I can give that dynamic column header. So column header, just copy this. And yes, good to go. So this is the final output. Okay. So let me show you what's the problem if we delete that. Okay. So this is remove blank rows. So if I delete this, okay. Now you can see this that when we are using this add custom, so this is returning an error because we cannot convert the value null to type text. So that was the problem when you are using this text.split because that was null. Okay. So we can yes. So we can use if this step return null, then we will use blank, otherwise convert this into table. So this step clear out, okay, that it's returning table when this is not null. That's good, but again we will have this main table, this also okay, but when we are using this column header, so we are using this, we cannot convert the value blank to type table because we are converting that into table, right? So we can we need to change in this place too. So table dot column main table column names. So we are getting this column names, right? So we need to change this a little bit further. Okay. So it's saying it's table dot column name custom column. Okay. Let's try this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get this. This is not a table, right? This is not a table. So this is blank. So what we can do, transform add column custom column, and then we can say column list. Let's say now we can say table dot column names, and that is this one, but we need to check that if that is blank or not. So if custom is equals to blank, then we need to return a blank list, or we can say column 1, doesn't matter, column 1 or something like that. So this will give me this one. Now I just need to copy this, list dot combine list dot testing. We are good to go. Table dot expand column. I don't know if I am okay. Let's convert this. Let's get this from this particular place. Oh, this is not table, so it will not. expand that. That's this is bad, right? This is not a table. This is not a table, so I cannot maybe expand this. But let's see. We can do this one now. Table dot expand column. Uh, and that is main table, and that is custom, and this column header, and that is column header. This table dot expand columns, maybe. Let's see. Table dot expand table column. Okay. Okay, that's the problem, that this step is returning blank, right? So in that case, maybe we need to change a little bit further. So now instead of returning this, return blank. Let's see. Main table list. What the hell? Okay, sorry. I need to change this a bit further. Uh, table from list. This table is empty. Column header. Oh, okay. We get the final result. Are you with me? Hello. Okay. So this is good. Let me apply this one your case. Okay. I don't know why this is not changing. Okay. Get this. Duplicate this. In this case, source. So I just need to change this source, right? So that was. Sorry. What is this source? That. Okay. In your case, this table name is table one, right? Just copy this with blank. So just change this source. Okay, added custom main table, table dot select column into item, column to item number. So item number. So I get this column header, table dot. Okay, we are good to go. This is the final output in your case. Okay, I'll send this file and the recording video. Okay, you are welcome. Any questions? If you want to know